Now, let's learn how to leverage Docker image to build up our Jenkins server. Let's go to DocHub website. Then, let's search for Jenkins. As you can see in the first tab one, we click. In this image, let's drill down. We can see it's deprecated. And he says to go to this one link. Let's go. In this page, this is the Docker image we are gonna use. Let's scroll down and click the documentation link. In this new GitHub project, it says all the processes you need, and the most important one is this one, Docker run. It will build up a whole Jenkins server. Then, let's open our Docker daemon. Type Docker quick start terminal and click. When the Docker engine is up and running, let's adjust our screen and then clear. Then paste the Docker command we copied from the GitHub. And here, let me introduce this command. Docker run will create a new container, and then we put this image Jenkins into this container to run. D means running in background, and then we add V as volume. We create a new volume called Jenkins home and map it to the container folder var Jenkins home. The purpose of using volume is to keep our data even when the container is shut down. Then we use P parameter to do port mapping 8080 and 50,000. Now let's run this command. When it's done, we can see a new image downloaded here, Jenkins. Then let's clean the screen and type Docker volume ls. We can see a new volume called Jenkins home is created. Next we type container ls to see we have a new container running here. Next, let's type docker logs and then copy the container ID. Paste it and enter it. And here we can see the token we are gonna use for our first time login. Let's copy it here. Now let's type echo docker machine IP to get the IP address of our VM Linux 192.168.99 and 100. And let's recall here, type container ls. We can see the newly container we created. Later we will access the 8080 port. So later we will use this IP address and with this port number to access our web page. Let's go back to our browser and open a new tab. Paste our IP address and type 8080 port. Enter. And now we successfully enter our Jenkins server. For the first time login, we have to unlock it. Let's paste the token we just copied via the docker logs command. Then let's proceed. And choose the up button for suggested plugins. When it's done, let's create our first admin user. After we set it up, let's continue. For this one, Jenkins URL, it's for reporting mainly, so we will skip it in this tutorial. Now everything is done, let's continue. When we see this page and with this message, welcome to Jenkins, it means we have successfully used Docker image to build our Jenkins server. So this will be the end of this video. To find more related information, please look down to the description section of this video.